From The Sound of a Wild Snail Eating by Elizabeth Tova Bailey. Inches from my bed and from each other stood the terrarium and a clock. While life in the terrarium flourished, time ticked away its seconds. But the relationship between time and the snail confused me. The snail would make its way through the terrarium, while the hands of the clock hardly moved. So I often thought the snail traveled faster than time. Then, absorbed in snail watching, I'd find that time had moved by, unnoticed. And what about the unfurling of a fern frond? Its pace was undetectable, yet day by day it, too, reached toward its goal. The mountains of things I felt I needed to do reached the moon, yet there was little I could do about anything, and time continued to drag me along its path. We are all hostages of time. We each have the same number of hours and minutes to live within a day, yet to me it didn't seem equally doled out.